Hello guys, welcome to my channel NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Bitlocker recovery on an encrypted hard drive, and we're going to be formatting this computer as well. We're using today a Dell Inspiron 3000, and we're going to be using a USB, and it has Windows 10. And also I have another video shows you how to get this USB flash drive for free. Let's get started with a tutorial. First, you want to plug in the USB flash drive to the PC, and you want to keep it plugged in. Then what we're going to do, we're going to restart the computer. Once it restarts, we're going to tap on the F2 key. When we turn it on and press the F2 key, it will take us to the BIOS screen, and that's where we're going to be disabling the security feature on this encrypted PC. Then the next step, what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down all the way to where it says Secure Boot. You want to use the keyboard to scroll down, tap the Enter key. Then you want to make sure you want to disable the option. If it's enabled, you want to disable it. So you want to use the mouse to select that. Then you want to click yes. It's just telling you if you're sure you want to do this. Once you click yes, we're going to save. Then press OK. Then we're going to hit the exit. And this will restart the PC. Then I'm going to show you the next step, what to do after. Now the computer is off. You want to turn on the computer and you want to press the F12 key, so that way we can boot up the USB Windows, the Windows USB drive. So when it comes on, you want to tap on F12. Then you want to pick the first option, that's for the EFI, and you want to click enter. Then this way it will take us to the setup menu for new Windows PC, and I'm going to walk you through on how to delete everything off the PC and create a new Windows copy on this computer. There you go. The next step, what we're going to do, you want to pick your language, then you want to click next, then you want to tap on install now. This will take a minute or two to go to the next screen. Then you want to check the box on the bottom left. Then you want to click next. Then we're going to do the custom install, which is the second option. Once you click on that, then it will take us to the partitions, the computer partitions. So we're going to pick the primary, then we're going to delete it. Once you delete it, it's going to erase everything. Then we're going to pick the same one that we just deleted. We're going to create a new one. Then you want to click yes and OK. It's going to take a second. Once it creates it, then we're going to download the new Windows copy to that partition that we just created as a no, because we deleted the old one. So make sure you click on format, then click OK, just to make sure it's formatted the right way. Then you want to click next, then you want to hit OK. So once you click OK, it will start the setup process. This will take about 10-15 minutes. I'm just going to fast forward this so we can get to the next step. Here you go, guys. It just got done formatting the computer. Everything is good. This is the startup menu, as if you were just getting a brand new laptop or just setting up your Windows for the first time. As you see, we just got done with all the steps, formatted the computer, and by deleting that partition in the previous clip before, you removed the encrypted files of the hard disk. This concludes our tutorial for today. If you like my video and you found it helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe my channel for more videos. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.